Minisita wa Kiwu na Ungithya Silikalini Nene Engineer Eric Mugaa Niwenda Macontractor Kumina Wia ula Manengetwe ni Muvia wa Kiwu Ivindani Yila Yailite Aiweta Kana Muvia usu Ndwiisa Kwongela Macontractor Ivinda ya Kwendeesya Wia Mathukuma Kavola Mugaa anena ki Kavindani kala watambuka silangani wa uma ola wiki tui chakati kuthuima uthukumi ula wende nthini wa silanga usu na kuweta winzi wa silanga usu ko yuwe kilungu cha 17 yuluwa yana na tuivika mwakani wa 2026 nuthela ingini wa kule contractor nenge ene nthi makitui mawia nthini wa mulati usu Onesmus Chalo ena mauvombe ange.
Minisita wa Kiwu na Ungithya Silikalini ya Yulu Engineer Eric Mugaa ni watambuka kitui kuthuima uthukumi wa silanga wa uma ula wichangithio meloni wa sua kitui cha kativa kauntini ya kitui vala wetekana kiwango cha uthukumi kila kitwaisyo nthini wa silanga usu ni che 17 yuluwa yana vala wenda contractor kukalata wia wake Aiweta vai Kwongela Ivinda ya mulati usu na nombo vaka uthele Ivindani ilovanitwe vala silanga ukwatwa kuthela mwakani wa 2026.
Contractor who came on board, he started in January this year. Alikuwa amepewa miaka 2. So we are looking by the year 2026 January February, na ndio maana nimesisitiza kwamba hatutaki extension of time kwa miradi yetu. I have been very clear. The contractor has to put resources on ground and ensure that these projects are completed on time, kwa sababu we have a lot of cost overruns in this kind of projects kwa sababu ya extensions of time and the recurrent expenditure that come with it. The cost of this project is about 1.96 billion Kenya shillings. We don't want to stretch it further than that. We have been very categorical with the contractor and the consultant on ground.
Minisita wa kule contractor lo nengetwe Kandalasi kunenge ene nthi makitui wia ulo kwenda wia wa mokono kana kumekea vinyana kuonekana waki wa silanga
locality, and we have committed to the contractor hakikisha kwamba vijana wa area Kitui wanapata hizi kazi. It is one of the ways to ensure that our young people are kept productive and also transfer of skills. We have TVETs ongoing. Those are the people we use especially in this field too much. Please come for attachments and ensure that we tap that knowledge for our future betterment of the community.
Silanga ukwamete vandu va mbewa myaka 10 na yuwathela withia witethia ene nthi ngiliana imwe na Kiwu kuma kitui vala ukwolanga maundu mamwe wa Kiwu na kukila emisioni cia mawithiuruko ma kitui.
A treatment plant to treat around 2650 is on liter kama ukimultiply by 1000 650,000 liters per day kwenda Kitui. It is a supplementary system because I know Kitui is fed with water also kutoka Kidaruma, and this is planned to have, we are looking at the options of having an irrigation test line. That is a small line 4-inch because the areas here are community small farming schemes. It's not like a large scale farming schemes. But we need to balance that because this dam is purely meant for domestic water supply.
Serikali nene ikulwa kulecha mbesa cia waki wa silanga ukweteneno kana kusia kuungama kwa moradi
is key under the administration, and completion of ongoing projects is one of our main targets to ensure that we serve the people of water and achieve Vision 2030, which is access to water and sanitation to all by the year 2030.
Televote Ivindani Mutongo TV kumasilangani wa uma ni Onesmus Chalo.